हाल ही में एक नया नियम लागू हुआ सर, मोटर व्हीकल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट। यह नियम लागू होने के बाद हमारे ट्रैफिक रूल्स में क्या क्या बदलाव आया है सर, आप थोड़ा बता सकते?
इसमें ये बदलाव लाना है, एक तो गाड़ी चलाते समय हेलमेट डालना है फर्स्ट, उसके बाद में गाड़ी चलाते समय मोबाइल पे नहीं बोलना है, उसके बाद में शराब पे गाड़ी नहीं चलाना है, और सीट बेल्ट वही खुद बांध रहा हूँ, सीट बेल्ट इसमें यूज करना है। ऐसे 4-5 नियम है, और भी नियम है, सभी करे तो हमारा एक्सीडेंट कम हो जाएगा।
तो अब सीट बेल्ट पहने, हमें बहुत खुशी है। तो बहुत लोग सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहनते, उनके बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
सीट बेल्ट बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है, स्पेशली ऑन हाईवेज, क्योंकि देखिए जब भी कोई झटका लगता है, इम्पैक्ट होता है सामने की कोई गाड़ी से, ये रोक लेता है हमको, तो इससे हम स्टीयरिंग पे लगने से बच जाते हैं, जो इसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर है। तो सभी को सीट बेल्ट पहनना चाहिए।
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ರಿ?
ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಅದ, ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಡೆದೇವು ನಾವು.
ನಿಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ರೀ ಅಂಕಲ್?
ಅದ ರೀ.
ಯಾವಾಗಾರ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೀವು?
ಹಾಂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಊರಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿರಿ, ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಗಾಡಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ವಿನಂತಿ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸುರಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋರಿ ಸರ್, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ.
How do you rate road safety in Bidar? Out of 5 points, how many points would you like to give?
My rating would be 3 out of 5.
Sir, why do you find more accidents among teenagers only, sir?
Teenagers, you see, the Motor Vehicle Act says that those who are having 18 years of age are eligible for driving and to obtain driving license. Most of the teenagers, they don't have motor driving license and they don't know how to control the vehicle, drive the vehicle in a proper manner, because they don't have the lying sense on the road. Okay, and it is also offense on the part of the parents to give their vehicle for driving to the children unless the children have driving license of their own. Okay.
Many vehicles have loud sound horns. It causes noise pollution.
Yeah, we have fixed the decibels, the level of sound which can be tolerated and which is not tolerated as per the Motor Vehicle Act. So those vehicles which have higher decibel horns are invariably seized if they come to the notice of the police, and a case will be booked up.
ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಕಾನೂನು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನಂತೀರಿ?
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾನೂನಿದೆ, ಜನರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು.
ಈಗ ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕೇನು ಕಡಿಮೆ?
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಸರಿ.
ಸರ್, ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ?
ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇವ್ರದಿವರೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯರದ್ರಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ಎದುರಿನವ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಹೋಗೋದಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಪರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬೈಕ್ ನಡೆಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅವು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 4 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, 4 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮೋಟಾರು ವಾಹನಗಳ 2019ರ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಘಾತಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
Sir, what is your suggestion to major citizens regarding road safety?
Not only the major citizens, all citizens of India only follow the rules and regulations of the traffic. Then only we can reduce the accidents.
How you can rate the road safety out of 5 points?
Of Bidar. Bidar 3.5. 3.5.
Listen up! Yo, we got something to say. तैयार हो आप? Let's go!
after taking the learning lessons, after completion of 30 days, once again you have to take a slot for the driving license. When you get a slot on a date and time, and on that date you have to come to the office along with your vehicle and vehicle documents, suppose RC book, insurance, tax card, emission certificate, and you have to go through the test, then you will get a license.
Yeah, it's very important. It's very, very important. The vehicle insurance is what? Like tomorrow. Vehicle insurance is one thing which we pay every year. Got it? So whatever happens tomorrow, any eventuality, touch wood, nothing happens, any eventuality like later, accident happens. The vehicle insurance covers for the repair cost of the vehicle, the injuries. For example, it lists fatal accident, the death. The deceased person will be covered, and whatever is that, the court decides upon how much insurance has to be paid. So all this, if we don't have a insurance, for example, if we don't have a insurance, tomorrow the person who caused the accident will be liable to pay that compensation amount to the deceased or injured or the vehicle damage and everything. The round one means mandatory. Mandatory and compulsory, you have to follow that rule. The second one is the triangle one. It is cautionary. For example, mandatory it's a no entry. It's not you are telling, they are not giving you an option that you can enter or you can't enter. You shouldn't enter. If any of this thing is violated, you are liable for a fine. Really, I appreciate what you people are doing.
Ma'am, after the implementation of the new Amendment Act, what do you feel or you have experienced regarding this new law?
No, I think it has made a lot of difference. So the data which we have collected, so the accident rates have come down drastically. So it's a very nice step taken by the government. And after the amendment, at least people have become more serious, and they are driving. They're more conscious and driving slow.
Ma'am, why do we find more accidents among teenagers?
I think first of all, it is a pleasure for them to ride two-wheelers, and the adrenaline level is high in the teenagers. So the pleasure it gives them to ride fast, that I think is one of the things where they just lose control of driving the two when they are very fast. And the awareness is not there, and especially I think the parents also are responsible, where when our students are below 18, they are given the two-wheelers to come to school or college, and they drive the two-wheeler without wearing a helmet.
Ma'am, how would you like to rate the road safety of Bidar? Out of 5 points, how many would you like to give?
I think it is 3.
Ma'am, what is your suggestion to our project?
It's a very good project, and I think you are trying your level best to create awareness among people, and you are also helping the traffic department, police department, in conveying the message, what they are trying to convey, and the students have really done a very good job. So I'd like to congratulate all of you for, and of course your teacher and Sanjeev sir and principal Ali sir. So well done children, all the best of all of you for your project day, and I hope people will definitely like it and will learn a lot from all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.